Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing, and once you've done that, please leave a like. Vibration can be a useful feature on your iPhone when you want to receive silent notifications or be alerted to incoming calls. However, there may be times when you prefer to disable the vibration function to conserve battery or minimize distractions. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the steps to turn off vibration on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open your settings. Once you are in the settings page, tap Sounds and Haptics. Scroll down until you find System Haptics. Tap the switch to toggle it off. You can also see here, Play Haptics in ring mode and Play Haptics in silent mode. Tap the switches to toggle it off too. Now scroll up for a bit and you can see keyboard and feedback. Tap on it. Make sure the haptic switch is toggled to disable. Now in the sound and haptic patterns, you can also remove or change vibrations here. They have the same procedure. In this tutorial, I will tap on ringtone. Find vibration. Once found, tap it. As you can see at the bottom of this section, we can see none and tap it. Congratulations! You have successfully turned off vibration on your iPhone. Remember, you can always revisit the sounds and haptics setting to re-enable vibration or choose different vibration patterns if needed. Enjoy your customized iPhone experience. Thank you for watching.